5 veggies you can harvest in under a month. Tired of waiting forever for your garden to produce? Want fresh, homegrown goodness on your table sooner rather than later? Then you're in the right place. We're diving into the world of fast-growing vegetables you can harvest in under a month. Radishes are incredibly easy to grow and perfect for beginner gardeners. You can expect to harvest these crunchy delights in just 20-30 days. That's faster than ordering takeout. Radishes thrive in cool weather, making spring and fall ideal planting seasons. You can directly sow the seeds in the ground or in containers. Just make sure they get plenty of sunlight. To enjoy a continuous supply of radishes, try succession planting. Sow a new batch of seeds every week or two. This will keep your harvest coming. Radishes are delicious in salads, on sandwiches, or even roasted for a sweeter flavor. Their peppery bite adds a zing to any dish. Get ready for some garden-to-table freshness. If you're craving fresh salads, loose-leaf lettuce is your answer. This leafy green is another quick grower, ready for harvest in just 20-30 days. Imagine picking your own salad just minutes before dinner. Like radishes, loose-leaf lettuce is best planted through direct sowing. Simply scatter the seeds in a prepared bed and keep the soil moist. Soon you'll see tiny leaves emerging. The best part about loose-leaf lettuce is the cut-and-come-again harvesting technique. Instead of pulling up the whole plant, simply snip off the outer leaves as needed. This allows the plant to continue producing for weeks. Enjoy your homegrown lettuce in salads, sandwiches, or wraps. The tender leaves add a refreshing crunch to any meal. It's a simple way to elevate your everyday dishes. Spinach is not only packed with nutrients, but also surprisingly quick to harvest. You can start enjoying fresh spinach leaves in just 25-35 days. That's a superfood in super speed. Spinach prefers cooler temperatures, so spring and fall are the best times to plant. Avoid planting during the heat of summer, as it can cause the plants to bolt, go to seed. Direct sowing is the recommended planting method for spinach. Ensure the soil is well drained and rich in organic matter. Consistent watering is key for healthy growth. You have a couple of harvesting options with spinach. You can either harvest the outer leaves as needed, similar to lettuce, or harvest the entire plant at once. It depends on your needs and preferences. Spinach is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Enjoy it fresh in salads and smoothies, or cook it in various dishes. From omelets to pasta sauces, spinach adds a healthy boost to any meal. Arugula, also known as rocket, is a peppery green that adds a unique flavor to your dishes. And the best part? It's ready to harvest in just 20-30 days. Arugula is easy to grow, especially in cool weather. It's a great option for beginner gardeners looking for something a little different. Direct sowing is the way to go with arugula. Plant the seeds in a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Keep the soil consistently moist for optimal growth. For the best flavor, harvest arugula when the leaves are young and tender. Older leaves can become quite bitter. Regular harvesting encourages new growth. Arugula is delicious in salads, on pizzas, or as a garnish. Its peppery flavor adds a delightful kick to any dish. Try it in pesto for a unique twist. While not quite under a month, bush beans are still relatively quick to harvest, taking around 40-50 days. The slightly longer wait is well worth it for these delicious and versatile beans. Bush beans thrive in warmer weather, so plant them after the last frost. They need plenty of sunshine and well-drained soil to flourish. Direct sowing is the preferred planting method for bush beans. Plant the seeds about an inch deep and a few inches apart. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. Harvest bush beans when they are young and tender. The pods should be firm and plump, but not bulging. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more beans. Bush beans are delicious steamed, sautéed, or added to stews. They're a great source of protein and fiber, making them a healthy and satisfying addition to any meal. So there you have it, 5 vegetables you can harvest in under a month, or close to it. Radishes, loose-leaf lettuce, spinach, arugula, and bush beans are all great options for quick and easy gardening. Don't wait any longer. Start planting these fast-growing veggies today and enjoy fresh, homegrown produce in no time. Your taste buds and your garden will thank you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which of these veggies you're most excited to grow. Happy gardening!